Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I'm here with my family doing a short little day hike at a place called Falling Rocks Waterfall. Neat little area, maybe about a 2-mile hike in, I think. Never been here before. Thought we'd check out the waterfall. Thanks for joining me. Let's go see a waterfall. I wanted to do a shout out on this short little video of DMS Adventures. They gave me this shirt. It's got a crow on it. On the back it says Rugged Mountain Crow. Appreciate it, guys. Rugged Mountain Gang. Appreciate you very much. Thanks for the shirt. We're on this little hike.
God, that's super slick. I would have loved it. It's got those little things. Look at the hear it. Yeah, I can definitely hear it. Listen.
Yeah. Made it down to the bottom of Falling Rock Waterfalls. Here's the falls behind me. That is a major drop. Beautiful down here. The only problem is, as always, graffiti everywhere. I guess, I don't know how they'll clean it up, but it's pretty nasty. Just graffiti all over the wall, so I won't film that. But there's the falls. Super cool. So now I'm under the falls. It's just a cool rock ledge above me. About to head back up, going underneath the cliffs. There's the falls out behind me. Such a cool place. Thank you guys for watching another short edition of As a Crow Flies Hiking here at Falling Rock Falls. Beautiful place, aside from the graffiti. A couple miles in, couple miles out, but now I gotta climb back up this hill. Oh well, let's get going. Thank you guys, see you on the next adventure. Hey Livy.
Hey.
How'd you like Falling Rock Falls?
It was so much fun.
Your knee's kind of hurting though, right?
Yeah, but
So
it's okay.
You didn't get to go down to the very bottom.
No, not the very bottom,
But
but
you
that
saw
was
it there.
pretty up there.
Good.